Alright, put your hand just like this. This is to show you how to hold the knife, no spin. Just put your hand just like this, your thumb on that finger. Alright, you pick the knife up, you slide it in there the same way. You put your index finger on top, you put your thumb right there, and you let the knife rest right there in the ball of your hand. Or you can flip it over. Same way. Just let the knife rest in the ball of your hand, right there. And that's the correct. Put this finger right here on the front of the scales. Hold it just like that, and throw it like you would a baseball to keep your arm straight. Throw it like you would a slider or a fastball. That's about the best way I can show you. Thank you.